Hi everyone, welcome back to my final more report chart disposal of today, Friday the 26th of February with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tantech Markets. Let's look at gold. And I sort of said in the morning report that I'm still a little bit concerned about these momentum indicators. We've had these sort of two candles here, which are okay. I mean, they are obviously showing gains on the day, but not massively positive, and I'm not overly convinced by the momentum indicators either. And we've got these sort of RSI that you'd want to see. I mean, you've seen the price sort of pushing up and breaking higher, but you've not seen that on the momentum. And the MACD line's actually crossing lower. The stochastics, again, pretty benign in terms of for a market that is pushing higher. That is a concern, I think, for me. And again today we've seen a bit of a turnaround. It's only happened in the last sort of hour or so, a couple of hours, but it's broken down what was forming a bit of a support around the old consolidation band. So I zoom out here. 1232 was a bit of a pivot level, and then it became supportive. And again, it's sort of now broken to the downside, and it seems as though this sort of rally that again, with even with the hourly indicators, it's not all that positive really with the momentum, and it's sort of seeing a bit of a rolling effect on this chart, and I would not be surprised to see a bit of a correction coming through. Now you've got the support in place at 1220, well 1221 area, 1220.80 to the tick, and that is your initial line of support. That was yesterday's low. I wouldn't be surprised to see that tested actually in the coming hours today. But it is interesting that we're seeing this sort of improvement in sentiment, and gold price has drifted higher, but again the momentum indicator is not as positive as the run higher in the price, so that leaves me a little bit concerned that you could see a bit of a correction coming through. So yeah, just be mindful of that, I think, in gold as it sort of has moved higher. Now it's interesting as well that the resistance is coming in place again around that old resistance of 39.50. Sort of resistance coming in as today's high. 42.70 was yesterday's high. So there is sort of any moves towards 140 seem to be sort of acting as resistance. Really, don't sorry. I say 140, 1240 now seems to be an area of resistance. So just again keep that in mind as the rally may come through, because these momentum indicators are not all that positive anymore. All rather neutral, I would say. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you again next week. Thank you.